Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get an account in Mol Bot. Mol Bot is a Telegram-based automation bot designed to simplify digital interaction by allowing users to submit files, send structured data and receive automated responses in a fast and organized manner. Built to work seamlessly within Telegram, Mol Bot eliminates the need for a separate platform by handling submission. So it acts as an intermediary between users and automated processes. So first, what you have to do is you need to open your Google web browser, any of the browser you prefer, and in the top there's the search bar. Type down Molbot and enter it. Over here on the top, we could find the Molbot AI-powered social media bot. Select to that. And once you reach into this interface of the Molbot, what you can do is you can select to this Get Started. And over here, it asks you to fill up the required questions. Over here, your project overview, the website URL, blockchain and network and everything. And after you're done, you can select Submit. And that is it. That is how you can create an account in Molbot. Thank you for watching this video, and it is also ideal for collecting assignments or documents, automating basic data intake, managing file-based submission, providing structured bot-driven interaction. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.